Tricleanium a whole bunch of stuff. Yuck. We're going to take the stove vent out. Look how gross this vent is, it's quite bad. So we're going to take this out, and there's a small one underneath it, we're going to take that out. And this is the light, so we're going to use a screwdriver and take it off. So how you get this off, there's a button here, and you just push it in, push it down, you just pull it out, and it just pops out. And it's held on by these two little feet, and then this one comes off as well. Now we just want to get the light off. Get an average screwdriver, and you just take it out. And they're usually so baked on with grease, it's hard to get off. In that case, I get the flathead screwdriver and try and pop it off. I've never broken one yet. This is plastic, so we don't need to tricleanium this, we're just gonna wash it. Clean hot water into here, about a quarter scoop of this. You mix it, try not to touch it, it's kind of like hardcore. Let it sit in here, I forget for how long, 2 minutes, 4 minutes, something like that. Maybe it's 10, I don't know. You can see it changing colour. Look at the oil coming out. That's all the grease coming off them. And that's just one side. Look at that. Had to tricleanium them 3 times, drained it, tricleaniumed again. The guy that lived here before must have done a lot of fries, but he must have made some very nice meals. This house holds very many yummy memories. One of the times I just put it in hot water, no tricleanium at all, to see how much the water changed colour, and it barely changed colour. And then I put the tricleanium in and it went dark sludge like orange. But the tricleanium is very good. Goes in first, and it just goes in like so. And then we put the big one on, 2 little holes there, so you stick it in the holes, line it up, press the button in. Now for the light. Right, done the vents. This is crusted. I can feel like what I would imagine a Braille book would feel like. Like you could read something, this would say, hey, I'm a very dirty cupboard.